In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from an image using the Nano Banana tool. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're working on a graphic design project or you simply want to create a cleaner look for your photos. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to open up the Nano Banana website. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface and offers a variety of tools for image editing, which makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users alike. Once we're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's always good to know your way around to make the most of what the site has to offer. As you look around, you'll notice three horizontal bars, often referred to as a hamburger menu, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is a gateway to an array of features, and you will find that it helps streamline your navigation through the different options available on Nano Banana. Next, from the list of options that appear, find and click on the Toolbox drop-down. The Toolbox is where all the magic happens, housing various editing tools that you can use to enhance your images. Within this drop-down, we are looking for the Background Remover option, which is a powerful feature designed specifically to isolate the main subject from its background effortlessly. Once you've clicked on Background Remover, you will need to scroll down a bit. This might seem simple, but it helps to understand what other features are available, which could come in handy for future projects. Plus, it's always beneficial to see how this feature integrates with the rest of the tools. Now you'll reach the section where you can upload your image. This is where the real fun begins. Click on the Upload button and navigate to find the image you want to edit from your computer. Ensure your image is of a good quality, as this will help the Background Remover to work more effectively, providing a clean, sharp result that highlights the subject with precision. After uploading, the tool will automatically start processing your image. This background removal process typically happens in seconds, depending on the image complexity. Once complete, you'll see your image, now freed from its background, ready to be used in whatever creative way you choose. You can save it to your device by clicking the download button, making it easy to use across different platforms, from social media posts to professional projects. And that's it! You've successfully removed the background from your image using Nano Banana. This tool is really powerful, and with a bit of practice, it becomes a seamless part of your creative workflow. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our videos to learn other ways to enhance and edit your images.